Individual means one single person or one single thing, not a group. In simple words, individual equals one person or one thing. What does individual mean in daily life? The word individual is used when we talk about one person, one animal, one object, personal rights, or choices. Very easy examples. Each individual student has a book. One student, not the whole class. Every individual has unique qualities. Each person is different. More simple sentences. An individual can make decisions. The prize was given to one individual. Respect every individual. Daily life situations. Schools focus on individual learning. Doctors treat each patient as an individual. Laws protect individual rights. Student-friendly sentence. Every individual is important. Important point to remember, an individual is separate and unique, not part of a group at that moment. Easy memory tip. Individual equals one.